Common Gallinules make a variety of chicken-like clucks, whinnies, cackles, squawks, and yelps. They often call from hiding, leaving you guessing what's in the marsh. A rapid series of clucks can sound a bit like a raptor, but usually ends with something like a laugh. Their squawks range from low and grating to high and piercing, and they like to mix things up, tossing in a squawk after a cackle or the other way around. They get especially chatty during the breeding season from April to June.